Hey guys, welcome back to Vlog World. So my sister and I, we're gonna be doing a road trip. We're heading to Montego Bay. We're gonna be looking for friends and just hang out for a day or two, and then from there we're gonna leave and head to xoxo. So it's only two of us alone, okay? So come along. This is a famous perch tree hill. Dangerous hill. Very dangerous drive here, but you just gotta take your time. Heading to Montego Bay. Montego Bay road trip. Montego Bay, here we go. We're looking down in St. Elizabeth. So this is the corn and soup stop. You get your boiled corn and your soup. And we're getting soup and corn. Look upon them Dutch pot here. These are so nice. This one right here is good for frying your fish. And it's for your chicken.
We did the pot them pay me here.
Okay. Super bubble and corn a boil. So that's the corn in it. What do you call that? Sorry, sheller. No idea.
Yeah, go on. Stand there.
That's why you look like figurine.
No, but I full up too much coverage, right? I full up too much. Huh? What kind of meat in this soup? Vegetable soup?
How do you look like figurine?
A figurine?
They're pretty.
Maybe we are. What is? Just good.
How was the shop, man? It's 92. It's 92?
It's hot.
Oh, God. Bah. Yeah.
How's the soup, Shalane? It's good. What am I putting? That's it? Alright, bless up, Connie. Bless. Yo, go there. Me can't drop a ground. Go there.
Yeah. Bunty fly, whoop, on it. Yeah. Breezy breeze, me not go calm on it. No. Put your road, can't close up.
Fruits for sale.
Yeah.
Shrimp. So we gotta stop and get shrimp. Auntie. Some more shrimp people on there, so. And this is a shrimp country, so we're gonna have a little of the peppered shrimp. I don't want the hard one. Hello. Is only the hard ones you have?
Yeah, we have this soft one.
The soft one? How much? Yeah, this is the one.
Yeah, $500 for that one.
For this?
Yeah, next soft one here.
That's it. How much is this one?
$300 one.
Hold this, let me see this. Hold this, let me see your one.
This look better to me.
This too big too.
You want the one? Yes. You want this one?
No, I don't like those
are
big.
Oh my goodness.
Can I have napkins and stuff?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks. I don't like the big ones. I only drink them in soup.
Yeah, they be nice in a soup.
Sit here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're going to buy a bit of soup?
No soup. No problem, later.
Yeah.
We're drinking soup today. We're drinking Moet. The story then. So we end up driving through New Market instead of Border because this road is a little bit shorter, but the road is very, very bad. It's like I'm driving at 15 miles per hour. 15 miles per hour. The road is extremely bad. And then coming down the hill, the cops then pull me over and I got a ticket. I got a ticket for disobeying the traffic light. The ticket is, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. This is crazy. Anyways, may I take my time and may I go through because my car is very low. It is very, very low. But anyway, the police give me the ticket, said me disobey the traffic light. So the ticket is for $4,000 and I have 21 days to pay. So I have to go pay the people them tickets. But what I say is, where the taxpayer money I go? Oh shit. Oh my god. I don't know if I put the car. No road that I put the car upon. Can you see them a taxi and I see a bush, you know? My god. When I see no stream, when I see no wish. We are flatty. We are flatty the bodies are road there, man. No, so yeah, push us. You know, the deep rural. Oh my god. But yeah, this road is not new to me because I used to live in Montego Bay. Oh. And I'm always going back and forth from Mandeville to Montego Bay on the weekends. Yeah, because my son's dad at the time when we were together, he was in Mandeville and I was in Montego Bay. That's cute. So it's horrible. I always had to commute back and forth. But the road is very bad. It's very, very bad. But as usual, as per usual, I got up at 7 this morning. We were supposed to leave at 9 a.m. As per usual. Now it is 6 p.m. My sister is always late, right? So that is not the truth. That is the truth. That is the truth. That is the truth. Yeah, this is the town of New Market, people. It's a very small town. And this is a farming community as well. Who said that? It is. Really? Yes, they do all of the cattle wearing. Cattle wearing. You see that guy wanted to buy my car. He's like, baby, are you selling your car? No, sweetie, I'm not. So there we go, Montego Bay. We're gonna make a right up here. But I have to try and cross this bridge first. Let me go over this bridge. Oh my god. Alright, so we've gotten over that hurdle and we're on our way again to good roads. These roads are looking way better Way better.
Okay.
Road.
Okay. So it's gonna be a good trip, but my sister is not a drinker, so I'm a bit bored because this distance and this kind of trip, we need liquor up in here. Liquor.
I'm driving, remember? I am the. She can't drive. I am driving. So how she want me to drink? Is she crazy?
I'm not saying you should.
No.
I should drink.
No, you can drink. That's okay.
I should drink.
But I'm not gonna be drinking because I'm driving. I am driving.
Bye, auntie. Bye, guys, for now.
No, not bye, guys, for now.
You wanna talk?
Yes. Of course.
Oh my God.
Make my people see Jamaica, my beautiful country.
Okay.
Right? It rained earlier, so it's still a little bit overcast.
It rains a lot in this area.
It seems so. But we're well on our way, and like I said, we're through the bad patches, so now it should be smooth sailing from here. From what I can remember, it's gonna get a little bit rockier as we get closer to the end of this road, but for now it is smooth sailing. The only problem is the roads are super tiny. You see, look at all these fog. It is so foggy.
Cause we're way up in the hills, auntie.
It's a nice house.
Some returning residents.
Probably it's nice. So guys, we're taking our time because the road is wet. And we will go over the gully. So we have to be taking our time. Like I said earlier, we're not in any haste. We have all the time in the world. So we're just going down as slowly as we can. That coconut tree is loaded.
We need some.
You see all those coconuts?
I need some weed.
Weed? Oh Jesus.
Good weed.
I don't smoke. I am a good girl. Oh yeah.
Definitely.
My phone went out of service a long time ago. So I know my mom probably calling and checking up on me, but she's not gonna get me until we're actually in Montego Bay. But like I said, we have to take our time. The road is wet, and because the tree overshadows the road, it makes it very slippery.
A lot of bamboo.
So driving with extreme caution, my dears. Extreme caution.
Is the road fixed?
No, this has always been like this. This is one of the good parts. This is definitely one of the good parts.
But it maintains. Maybe some
yeah,
good.
this road is built like years ago, so it's very
Maybe they did it well because it maintained itself. And people have a chance.
Big up on herself.
And this girl blows every car and she blows everybody.
I'm friendly.
It's a hot mess.
People like the car, so they're always like, hey sexy girl, hey pretty girl, I like a car, yeah, sell it. Whatever.
You can't
afford people them. I can't go like me too nice. If I broke down, I go want it.
Look at this little board shop right here.
Sit there.
When I shoot on the score, Steph Curry. Going for the food, man, they tell the chef hurry. Tell the chef hurry.
Hey guys, so we just got into the hotel not too long ago, but trust me, we're hungry, we're tired, so tomorrow we're gonna show you the whole place, show you some video clip, but right now we're gonna mash up some food. Make it a tropical rhythm. This is ginger and 2 dry up fish. They fish them dry. Let's see if they can eat. Fish and bread. The woman wrap it, the bread them too, you know.
Whatever.
Fried fish. See there? The 2 last fish the people them have. Two last fish. My God, the girls them hungry. This man can just burn ugly so. A white bread is? A white bread. Ini nak apa pakai bom? Sambil besar. Fish warm now? It's
very warm.
So yeah guys, we made it. It's pretty late. Right now it's almost 12 midnight.
Strong. Enjoy it.
Then good to go, man. Thank you. You know put the sugar in there?
Check. I'm gonna know the sugar you take.
We normally use sugar too. Honey. This is the junction. This is my neck. But it's on my neck. Got my tea.